everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about a month maybe, or maybe less, that I've been not here, but I'm coming in today. But I've been crafting for the past 2 weeks. I had, what do you call it? When you have a reaction, well, anyway, my osteo was acting up and it was truly just horrendous that I couldn't even walk. I was walking with a walker. And my daughters was just telling me to try to craft, not to think about the pain that I'm in and that I was having a hard time getting around. So I was sitting at the dining room table crafting and I was so excited, and I came across these beautiful little Santas in my I'm saying that in my elf voice, you know, when you're happy to see Santa. Look at all these pretty Santas that I have fussy cut. They come in purple. He's decked out in purple, plaid, greens. They just so cute, and I just could not pass this up. I say, I have to make something with these gorgeous little Santas. They so cute. Look at this blue. This turquoise. Oh, it's just pink. He's too cute. Orange. Got the red and got the yellow. And he's just decked out. He went shopping. He is ready to deliver all his gifts. So I was trying to think, what could I make? And if you guys can recall, a couple of years ago, I'll put that video down in the description box of when I made these little mini book ornaments. But I actually made them from the movie titles. Remember, like Home Alone, Christmas with the Cranks, all that. So yeah, so I'll put that in the description box, and you can see how I made those. But these, I'm just so in love with these. I'm so in love with these. And then watching how other people was making them just blew me away. So we're gonna move all our Santas to the side. They so cute. And then I'm gonna show you exactly what I made in each one of his outfits. So here's the first one. Pinkalicious. He is in the pink. Can you see? I'm gonna try to bring it up to the camera because I don't know if the lighting is too good. And I got a ornament on the side. It's a snowman, pink with the snowball, a bell, some ribbon down at the bottom. Pretty much coordinated, right? So cute. Stiggle it up. Use some Tim Holtz, the Tim Holtz, the new ones, Christmas 2023. Yeah, use some of those sayings. And then on the back, I just did a few little things. Now, some of this paper, I don't know if you guys remember, I had told you I had bought these little papers. Sorry for the glare. But I was so mad about it because I thought they were cardstock. So they worked out well for me to use them, and I'll just use them in more projects. But yeah, so it's like a little journal. It has 2 signatures in it. And I just folded up the paper. They all are totally different. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. It looks so cute. I had actually bought, and what made me make these, because I actually bought a pencil tree. You know, the real skinny trees. Michael had them for 70% off. So I paid like $40 for a $139 tree, which is really only worth $40 if you ask me. But yeah, bought that tree to put on my little stairway. And so let me make some ornaments, and these look so cute hanging on them. Okay, here's the next one. He's in the red. Had a peppermint ornament, jingle bell, and a Santa Claus. December 25th, some more beads hanging from the bottom. A silver snowflake. This one got pom-pom trim. Has a little stocking on the back, and then this a little ticket that say Polar Express, which I got a little adhesive on the back to hold it, hopefully. I'm not probably going to open all of them, but yeah, just to give you a look of what paper I used in this 2 signature stitch, I think, or 3. One of them. Yeah, see, that's some of that paper I used. And yeah, put a little pocket back there. Isn't that cute? See if Santa can fit in there. Yeah, I think he can. Yeah, see a little pocket back here? That's cute. Yeah, so this is the red one. And I tried to make one in every color outfit that he had on. These are so darling. Then this is the one with the plaid. And you see the plaid ribbon. This is reasonable ribbon here. Have a little snowman, a green jingle bell. White snowflakes, they let it snow. I stickled. The little 25 is, and the stars from Tim Holtz. Some beads at the bottom with a little bell. On the back, it's like some little lights. And then this will say Merry Christmas. I'm trying to see what did I do with on the inside. I was making so many. I can't remember what I actually did on the inside of them. Let's see. Oh yeah, I put a little pocket here. Some more of that paper. Yes, it turned out so cute. Okay, and I got, let's see, I think there was like 7 or 8 different color outfits that he had. So, yeah, so I was finishing them up today. Saturday morning. Look at the yellow. Or do we say gold? I think it's yellow. I had a gold ornament down at the bottom. Am I in frame? I hope so. Let me see. Okay. And it is so cute to stickle them up. And on the back it has the countdown to Christmas calendar. It's cute. Different little papers on the inside. I just said I wasn't going to open them all up, right? Yeah. See? And I just think they turned out so gorgeous. Then here's the orange one. Gold bell. Look at the little deer. The things at the bottom. These little outfits are too cute. That's the back. Say all is calm, all is bright. And I got some, what's this seam binding. I need to buy some more because I'm almost out. But yeah, let's say happy holidays. I did a little decorating on the inside. I figured I didn't really have to do too much decorating because this is going to be on my tree anyway. You know, if the family want to go take an ornament off and write something in it, then that'll work as well. That might be a good idea when we get together on Christmas Day. Tell them take the ornament off the tree and write something in it. Oh, I might have to do that. I like that idea. We got vellum in here. I can't even talk. Super cute. Yeah, you know what? Oh, that is such a great idea. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these off the tree on Christmas Day and then have everybody to write an entry about how they're enjoying Christmas. That's on the back. I think that would be so wonderful. The purple, I'm sorry. I'm just talking. I was in my thoughts with that. And the purple. And you got a purple bow. That is so pretty. Purple plaid. And then look at the blue one. Oh my God. Isn't it? Oh my goodness. Not God name in vain, but oh my goodness. Look at the star. And it say it was a guiding silver star. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. On the back it say Winter Wonderland. That's the side. I don't know what I did. I kept making them. I wasn't thinking about, you know, I was just cutting up paper. Cutting up that paper that I wanted to use. That's another one of them pieces of paper. I just tried to coordinate with the book itself. You know, what the color that Santa outfit is. So yeah. And then the nutcrackers in the back. This, guys, they so pretty. I know the camera really not showing the beauty of them, but they're gorgeous. So like I said, I had fun fussy cutting out all the Santas. That is digital off of Etsy. I have to, I'll find it and list it if I can. I think I need to go into show where I purchased it, and then I can look it up from there. I can find it from there. I think I have one more. And that's, I think, that might be a red one. Or did I show the red one already? It's supposed to be in all different colors. Oh yeah, and you see how I tried to make the hang part match the closure on the bow. Let's see. Oh yeah, here's one more. And it's the green one. And it say Joy to the World Christmas, then the number 25. Then it has the little stocking there. So pretty. Look at the side, and it's beads at the bottom. And on the back, we have cheers and a little snowman. And then what I got on the inside, I might as well open all of them, right? Oh, I think I had this one different because I didn't have a lot of ribbon. The little girl here, this flips up. I think this was the first one I made. Yeah, this was the first one I made. Has a pocket because I was really trying to take my time and decorate, and I was like, that's too much. Then I used my little bitty stapler and staple a ribbon there, which I might go back and do the other ones like that since I'm gonna have people writing in them. Here's another one, a little tuck spot. Oh, this is so cute, guys. A little flip up. Here's a pocket with a tag. Yes, this was the first one I made because I was really like trying to make it look all cute. Yep. There usually be quite a bit of people gathered for family at Christmas. Then I got Frosty the Snowman song. Frosty the Snowman. Yeah, the lyrics. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, there's a little tuck spot right there. Let's see. I think that is a little tuck spot. Yeah, that's a little tuck spot right there. It's cute. I got a little gingerbread man. I might put him in there. Let's put him over there. That's cute, right? And then a little girl in the back. So we're going to tie this back up. Yep, guys. And that will be all of my snowmen that I've made. I mean, my Santa Claus that I made. They are super cute to make these books. I like these better than the ones I made a long time ago. But those I sold at a craft fair, which they were a hit. I think I sold all of them but 2. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Super cute. Use that to hold it. I'm trying to hold them up so I hope they're all in here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So thank you guys for stopping by and taking a look at all my beautiful snowman and his again, Santa Claus and his outfits. I guess because I was putting snowmans on them. And these charms, well, I turned them into charms. These are ornaments that came from Hobby Lobby. Yeah. Gorgeous, guys. They're so pretty. Here's my star. Yeah, let the silver star shine. Okay, guys. So thank you for stopping by, taking a look at my Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jill Norwood. Hey, Jill. Haven't had a chance to talk to you, but I will. Get over there and see all that gorgeousness that you're creating, because I know you're creating something beautiful as well as the other creators. So, okay, guys. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.